We made it across the Yukon River on the 24/7 free ferry. I go by the name Mike.
I'm Leanne. I'm Dawn.
And I'm Glenn.
And
we are
The
Four Nomads.
So this is part 2 of the video. We have part 1 where we travel from our homes up into Canada. So part 2 is going to be our journey to Alaska through Canada. So follow us, and we'll put up videos as we go. Hope you enjoy it. Comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you. We'll see you on the road. We're on the road to Chicken. We got to cross the U.S. border, and we should be there an hour and a half maybe. But quite the eventful morning.
God, no kidding.
We have 26,000 miles on the coach now. It may take us a while to get over there too.
Oh, I think it will.
The border crossing.
I'm going to guess 4 hours.
So,
It's 8:30.
yeah, once we get to Alaska, we're going to lose an hour, so we're going to be 4 hours behind the East Coast and 3 hours behind Rebecca.
This road is not maintained beyond this point.
Well, we're on the top of the World Highway, right?
I don't know. Have we made it there yet?
I think we are. I think this is where it begins. Oh, this is a big one.
Okay, we might be at the top of the world now. Oh,
But I do believe the top of the World Highway goes from Dawson City to Tok.
maybe once you get off the ferry.
Yeah.
It just says the George Black Ferry crosses the Yukon River from Dawson City to top of the World Highway.
Yeah. That's what I'm thinking.
The Canadian portion of top of the World Highway has been previously seal coated, but much of the road has reverted to gravel. Potholes are prevalent. Lines above the timberline for many miles. Lack of fuel for warmth and shelter make this perilous trip for the early sourdough.
The early what?
Sourdoughs, I guess that's what they call the explorer type people, the sourdoughs. Highway 9 and Alaska 5, which I think is this road.
Yes. I know it's 5 on the other side of the American border.
So they have a lot of turnouts actually.
Yeah, I bet you could stay up here overnight.
Informal campsite to the south near rock outcropping, large turnaround space, good viewing and hiking. Watch for grouse.
Top of the World Highway. Rough. But not as bad as I thought. Out of the RV to take a picture of the mountains and all right here, but look at all that mud I got to maneuver over. Top of the World Highway. And, well, it's cloudy. And look at the bus. Oh, yeah. And look at the truck. Whoa. Nasty. We got snow on the side of the road. And we'll see how dirty it is when we get another 45 miles to get to the U.S. border. Good news is I cleaned the front yesterday, got the bugs off the windshield. Looks like a completely different vehicle from this side. Definitely nobody out here.
Oh.
Somebody behind Don and Glenn.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. top of the world highway. Hey Glenn, you want to take a picture close up on that map for me?
Next stop is Customs and the highest point on the highway. Good grief, you can't see a thing.
Oh. There's zero visibility.
45 now.
There's a gate here somewhere.
We're looking for the gate very cautiously. Well, there is a gate.
You are entering a different time zone, so we are in Alaska.
All right.
This concludes the video series of our journey to Alaska through Canada, which is part 2 of our YouTube video series on this trip. So we are at the U.S. border, and we're going to proceed through customs. And we have enjoyed our trip, even though it was rained on us the entire way on top of the world highway. We still enjoyed it. I wish we could have seen it on a brighter day, but that's the way it is when you travel. Anyway, we are in the U.S., and we will start part 3 of the video series, our journey to Alaska, in Alaska.